Welcome, everyone, to Bad's early bird announcement. You guys tuning in, tell us where you're tuning in from. Here's a good little peek at your February's grand prize. Dita, what's up?
Welcome back, Johnny.
Fresh from Texas. Hold on. Let me get my camera. Hold on. Oh, I guess that's just the light. You guys tuning in, tell us where you're tuning in from. We got an early bird announcement. But first, we're going to show you February 28th's grand prize. A little nighttime shot for you guys. Just got back from Texas from dropping off Rick and Connie's 57 Bel Air trio. If you guys didn't see it, go check it out. It's in our videos. We have an early bird announcement. You guys stick around. We also have 2 contests that we're going to play to get you guys some more tickets for this February 28th trio. This first early bird's this Sunday, guys. Oh! It's beautiful out right now.
Oh, I can't. I just love riding in February, man. Hey, can you tell everybody about Texas hospitality?
Oh my God, I did not. So,
Were these guys good to you?
unbelievable. So when I got to Texas, let me explain.
Yeah.
I get to Texas, and the first thing Connie says is, "You better come hungry." You better come hungry.
Did they hear this?
Oh yeah, I opened up on this. Come on.
Just a sweet machine.
Limited edition Springer. Oh, all right. This is one of the cool parts of the truck.
Get in there and hit that a little bit.
They give you a nice little light.
Nice roar, man. It's so...
Look at it. Get the dash.
Oh,
look at that.
dash. Just classic, man. Just classic. Listen to the roar. Just listen to the beautiful side bite.
What's that? That's called a side bite?
Whoever did this is an older restoration, but whoever did it did a hell of a job with those side pipes coming out. I had a '69 Camaro I did the same thing with. It's just so sweet when you've got them, because when you're on the highway,
Yeah.
you can hear it. You can hear it clearly.
From the side, because
yeah,
it's
you
from the
don't need a
side.
damn
Right.
radio.
Right.
You want to hear this 350 just purr. You know, I had a question today. I'm going to guess based on how it runs, it's about 300 horsepower. Dita, would you agree? It's about 300 horse in this thing. Dita took it out on the highway today, and it just, she's obviously,
Good, right?
is she not, are you not in love
You
with
should have
this?
came to Texas with me. You would have fit in perfectly. You know
Are
that?
you not in love? You were in love with Patina. Are you not in love with Blueberry Hill?
Blueberry Hill.
Love our blueberry hill.
Oh my God.
Hey, guys, welcome to BADDCentral. Nighttime.
What?
Johnny was in
romantic.
an hour.
Hour and 20-minute traffic. Getting out of the airport.
Taking the other way.
I know. I didn't even know. I had no clue.
Hey, listen.
Open up the garage doors. I'm going to come through the garage doors.
He's gonna open sesame.
You guys keep telling us where you're tuning in from. Remember, this is February 28th. We haven't even done a live yet since we announced this, have we? I apologize. We're going to play 2 contests. We're going to let you guys win a couple more tickets. Open sesame, says Dita.
Welcome to BADDCentral,
It is empty.
my favorite place to be. Did we say Blueberry Hill?
You definitely did. Danny, show them.
Guys, empty barrel.
The barrel is empty.
Empty and clean. This is going to be, we're going to be putting door stubs in this right up until Sunday.
Sunday.
Get in, because like we promised, we've got some exciting news. Johnny, have you said anything?
I have not. I told them that we had the early bird announcement. The drawing is this Sunday, which is, I mean, less than 3 days from now.
What are you showing?
Oh, little luck.
And lucky sevens. Every day is Christmas at BADDCentral. So get used to it, folks. All right.
You got a couple contacts. I've been telling them. Do.
So let's get to business.
Yes, please. We got an audience. They want to know what's going on. They're waiting.
You know we announced the cruise. So this Sunday, you're going to have a choice. You didn't know you had a choice. So the cruise, and guys, we got a lot of comments. There is no mandates in Florida. There is no mask rules. Florida is wide open. So if you get pulled out of the barrel on Sunday, you can take the cruise for two to the Caribbean and meet the BAD team. Not only are we picking you up at the airport and flying you in, but you're gonna co-host a live right here.
Wow. Wow.
So you're gonna be part of the team, all right, before you leave for your cruise. Now, if you don't want to do that, here's the big news. You can take $5,000 in cash.
Whoa, say that again.
$5,000 thanks to our very generous sponsors.
Wow.
They came up and they said, listen, a lot of people are nervous about the cruise. Let's just give them the choice. So we've given you the choice. $5,000 to pay off those Christmas bills you still got. Or that. I'm going to do two contests today. So,
Two of them. The old man's losing it.
so the news is you got to get in for Sunday's drop. So get in now.
Man, we have no tickets,
We got
guys.
nothing. Okay, the printer's going to print
have
right
no
up until
tickets.
Sunday at what time? Noon?
No, at 4 p.m.
4 p.m.
4 p.m. Sunday.
So we're going to get these loaded up, and then we're going to go live and pull the winner, the first early bird. Guys, wait till you see the second early bird drop.
No. Oh, wait till Sunday. Sunday. We're announcing it Sunday during the live.
Absolutely Coco Locker.
Go locker.
First contest today
Is?
I want somebody, you guys just have to look on the BAD site, go to BAD Stars and Photos. So go to the BAD site, Facebook. Go to Photos, Albums, go to BAD Stars, they're all there, about 180 stars. One of those stars came up with the BAD logo in 1985 on a hamburger wrapper. Back in Canada, we had a place called Harvey's. And I really wanted to turn him on to Harvey's because of the big pickles they put in there. You Canadians know what I'm talking about. So, he came up with the BAD placard coming out of the BADD. All right? It doesn't have to be the first one. It's the one that I see first. Go ahead and tell me who drew the original BAD logo, okay, on a hamburger wrapper. No, you can't give him a hint. No, country girl.
Country girl's got a hint. She wants to.
So, the winner of that prize, and the name, we're going to do a name that tune today. The winner of both is going to get a lifetime patch with a vest. But let me tell you guys, we're all out of supply and demand. We're all out of the size line. We got medium. So whoever wins is going to get a medium for the wife, for the girlfriend, or for the kids, or if you're a little guy like me, you'll be able to fit in it. So we've got 2 lifetime vest with patches and 10 tickets. Your name
10.
will be in the barrel. Your name will be in the barrel.
For the early bird and the grand prize.
10 times.
And you guys are going to want to see.
Who came up with the BAD logo? Is that a good one?
That's a good one.
Johnny had no idea. The
Yeah.
guy's just off an airplane.
No clue. I didn't even know what I was walking into.
All right, what are we gonna do now?
Name that tune. Name that tune.
Because guys, believe it or not, the mosquitoes are the size of cats here.
Cats. The size of cats.
Johnny, they eat me alive. I show
They're guessing. Meatloaf. They're guessing.
I show up here at
Not meatloaf.
7. No, hell no, don't you dare. Don't you dare. It's too easy, don't you dare. All right, so name that tune.
Name that tune.
So this is, Johnny, don't show that screen.
I won't.
You can show this one, but
All
don't
right.
show that
All
screen.
right.
It's a cool story Okay? I didn't get it until I met Dita. I didn't get the whole hoopla, okay, until I met Dita. Now I kind of get it, all right? 21 years ago, I met Dita, and bang, this all made sense to me, okay? So let's see if Dita can go boom, tit, boom, boom,
Tit.
Enough for you guys to guess what song. Johnny, you know what to do. Hand up.
Hand up, eye contact. I got you. I got you.
Oh, wait a minute. Where's the trio?
Yeah, you forgot the guitar. This is to complete the trio. You saw the bike, you saw the truck, and now look at the Gretsch.
The Gretsch. Just,
Sweet.
you know, it's not an expensive guitar, but it's such a sweet guitar. I think I haven't tuned it once since I took it out of the box. It's just absolute, and it's very cool looking guitar. And it sounds pretty sweet too.
Yeah, it screams.
I tried it with blues, I tried it with heavy metal, I tried it with just about everything. And Dee's gonna remind me to put this behind my screen.
All right, guys, you're going to name that tune.
I keep stepping on that damn thing.
I'll even let you get the artist. If you get the artist or the song, I'll give it to you. Artist or song.
Look at my.
What's the time, Dita?
It's snowing.
Ready? Johnny, ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's go.
They're ready. They're already guessing.
2, 3, 4.
We got a winner.
Oh, sweet.
We got a winner.
Do I love me some John Lennon? So, I'm 9 years old. I'm watching the Ed Sullivan Show. Tina Turner's already drove me crazy with Mountain Deep River.
Got to come close so they can hear you.
I see these guys come out with these mop pops and they're doing, I want to hold your hand. And I'm not getting it yet. I'm only 9. What's the holding of the hand thing? And then as I grow older, I start hearing this, and these Beatles start growing their hair, and John Lennon starts screaming about one thing or another. I'm not so excited about the other guy, McCartney, singing about love, 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 but the John Lennon, working class hero. And she's so heavy. He wrote this song, believe it or not, for Yoko Ono. And I didn't know what it meant until I met my love of my life. Yeah. I mean, if there's a chick that I want so bad, I mean, she is heavy, okay?
bird has flown.
John Lennon. Do we know who?
Yeah. How do you say this name?
Le Maître, man, he's one of our.
Le Maître Master.
He's a
Maître
top
Master.
fan.
Is he?
He's a top
Johnny, Le Maître.
Yes.
Master.
Le Master in English.
Le Master.
The Master. He's fairly about a year, but I see him on a lot of comments. Great that he grabbed it.
I'm gonna tell him DM us right now.
All right.
Le Maître Master.
So what did he do? Did he get the song or did he get the?
The artist right away.
He got the Beatles.
Right away.
So
Right away.
With the 8-second delay.
Mark Russell, what's up, brother?
Yeah, Mark Russell.
Mark Russell, how's that patina?
So what do we got? 2 winners. Are they guessing who designed the bad?
I think you sidetracked them with the Stevie Ray Vaughan. Mark Russell.
Mark, I swear to God. It was an 85 tour. 𝐂𝐀𝐃𝐃 was with him. I was going crazy over his amp setup. He had like 9 amps on the stage. He was doing the University of Montreal, and I had known 𝐂𝐀 with Bob Dylan from this late 70s, early 80s. And 𝐂𝐀 used to make these incredible amps. 𝐂𝐀 died of liver complications and hepatitis C, I believe. But Stevie, he wanted to come to my place to check out the guitars. So he came by and looked at all my guitars. I didn't have anything for sale at the time. I was just acquiring. So I was able to get a whole, not a whole bunch, but I was able to get some key guitars from Stevie in the early years that he ended up using on Texas Flood and a few other albums. Anyways, I was selling him on this charcoal broiled hamburger at Harvey's with extra pickles and mustard, the whole thing. And he said, look, you gotta bring me. So while we were there, I had this idea. I knew I wanted to found Bad, and I knew I wanted to start Bad going. And he said, okay, let's, what do you mean? So bikers against drunk drivers. He says, that's an oxymoron. I said, I know, like jumbo shrimp. But I said, I have a feeling it's going to catch on. And he sat there and he drew with a pen the biker coming out of the BADD, and he worked with us every single year right up to his death. He was a special man. He had some demons. He beat them. He overcame them, and he became a better man about it. And I miss him a whole lot. And Johnny, we missed you, mofo. We were waiting for you.
Your word. They were waiting for me, guys.
Johnny tells us 4:40 I've landed, so I figure okay, right? No way.
No way. Getting out of the airport was a nightmare.
Okay, so we got ourselves 2 winners.
We got ourselves 2 winners.
I hope you're going to fit into these mediums. If not,
Yeah, Mark will fit in one of those.
Mark, will you fit into
Yeah, he'll fit in that.
5'8", 156 pounds, and it fits me just fine. So if you're around my size, it'll be fine. If you're Johnny's size, I'm sorry. Give it to your neighbor or something. But make sure and get photos of you guys with the patch. And of course, you both are going to be in the barrel. You're going to be in the barrel for the big one on Sunday.
It's always.
Christmas at BADDCentral. Melissa Wall, get on the phones. Everybody, answer the phone. Melissa's calling you with some fantastic deals. Check your spam and your trash folders because we've sent you some incredible updates. And especially for Sunday, get in the barrel. I want you to win this incredible choice of $5,000 or the cruise. Remember, you can win the $5,000, and if you guys want to come down, you can still host a live stream with us, all right? It'd be a lot of fun to meet us. We'd love to meet us. Johnny, as a matter of fact, met David Graver.
I did.
So
David's
a member, a long-term supporter. He knew that Johnny was going to Huntington, Texas, and he met up. He spent some time with the family, with the winners, and Johnny. That's what we love. Okay, we are one big family. I really love you all. Thanks for the support. Good luck on Sunday, and get in the barrel because we need your support and we want you guys to win. Now, what's behind those doors for the next early bird?
Jeez.
So tune in on Sunday.
Sunday.
It's over.
We're gonna announce it and we're picking a winner. You guys got 3 days.
Remember, guys, when you finally see it, it's an early bird. It's over the top, but it's an early bird. Listen, don't drink and drive, don't drink and ride, and
Peace out.